Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to ESIC SSO exam preparation video. So in this video, I will discuss with you that what was the previous year cutoff, okay, and previous year date of the recruitment, then what you can expect in this year, okay, all the things we will discuss in this video. So let's start our video, and this is the first video of your ESIC SSO guidance program. Your playlist is created in the playlist section, so just save that playlist because lots of video I will upload now, okay, for ESIC. So today just be on channel, okay, till the tonight 11 a.m 12 a.m, you don't know, but lots of video you will get today, and from tomorrow we will start our journey for ESIC SSO. Okay, before that just join our Telegram group if you didn't join yet, because there are already 5,000 candidates are there, okay, in our Telegram group. So yes, you can download the Telegram group, okay, and you can join. So first let me start with the change which we have in this year. Okay, obviously the last recruitment was conducted by IBPS on 2018, and after 4 years this vacancy came. Okay, obviously last time vacancy was high, that is 294 vacancy was there approximately. This time the vacancy is 93 vacancies. Okay, so definitely cutoff will be high. Okay, it is clear, and problem is vacancy decrease but competition increase. That is the problem, right? So definitely we will see how to prepare and everything. Don't need to worry because you are on our channel. So yeah, definitely no need to worry. Just whatever I said in strategy video, just follow that. Okay, be consistent and dedicated to ESIC SSO. Definitely you will get selection. Okay, all the selection I am giving to you, and definitely here also you will get selection. Okay, so first change is in 2018 there was sectional cutoff. Yes, so that obviously lots of candidates gone due to sectional cutoff, but this time there is no sectional cutoff. So this is the big change this time made by IBPS for ESIC recruitment 2022, and you guys are lucky that there is no sectional cutoff. Okay, this is the big good news for you. So now our target is total cutoff, that is your merit cutoff, right? Only our target is this merit cutoff. Obviously I am not talking about your qualifying cutoff, that is your UR 40%, OBC 35%. No, this is obviously it's not required, because if you didn't come in merit, obviously you will not get selection, because this is direct recruitment. Okay, totally they will select based on merit, right? And this time vacancies are also less, that's why. Okay, so let's start with our pre, which is your first exam. So for on the basis of pre-score, that is merit, they will select candidate in the ratio of 1:10. Means for one seat, they will call 10 candidate for which process? For mains. Okay. So now I will discuss what was 2018, that is previous year cutoff, and what is 2022, what cutoff you can expect for this year. Okay. Obviously last time EWS was not there. I hope you remember this in 2018. So only we have UR, OBC, SC, ST, PWD, VI, then HI, then LD, and then other. Okay, so let's start with our video. So out of 100 marks, last cutoff is closed for open at 71 marks. Okay, this is the cutoff, closing cutoff. So 71 for open, for OBC 66.25, for SC 62, for ST 57.50. Okay, PWD VI also 59, then PWD HI little less, 30 marks only. PWD LD 56.50, and for other it is 30. Okay, so this was last year cutoff for your pre-exam. Okay, now this year what you can expect? So definitely this year competition is high already. Okay, because already people are preparing for ESIC UDC. So unfortunately these two exams are come in, means obviously one after another. That's why those who are already prepared for ESIC, they're doing preparation. Okay, definitely they are ready for SSO also. So definitely this time it will be challenging, and if you are starting for new, that is for SSO only, then definitely follow our all the videos. So for open, if you are from open, then definitely target between 85 to 90, or I can say 80 to 85. Okay, this is the very good score. So 80 to 85 at least you target. Okay, out of 100 marks, because this time vacancy is only 93, right? Last time was 294, so lots of vacancies are there last time. Okay, for EWS candidate, just target 75 to 80 marks. Then OBC, you can target 70 to 75. Okay, this is a good score. For SC also, just target 60 above marks, and for ST, you can target SC 65 above and ST 60 above. Okay, and for PWD also, just score good marks. That is, you can say 70 above, not 70, obviously 50 above. So 50 above at least you should have. Okay, in this. So definitely level, about level, let me tell you, the level is not that much hard for pre-exam. So definitely lots of candidate will get more marks in SSO exam. There is no doubt in that. Level is easy, as compared to IBPS, all the exams, okay, whether it is blank clerk, whether it is bank PO. So definitely level is easy for ESIC, and obviously there is no sectional cutoff also, okay. Definitely sectional timing is there, but definitely there is no sectional cutoff. Now next about your mains exam, which was of 200 marks, okay. So now we will discuss about 200 marks, and after mains exam they will shortlist 1:5 ratio candidate, okay. That is for one seat they will shortlist 5 candidate for computer skill test. So definitely what is computer skill test, how to prepare for that, all the information you will get in our next video, okay. No need to worry, because all the videos I will give you, just you need to follow them very properly, right? So for open, the last time for in the mains it is closed on 149.80 marks, okay. Matlab approximately you can say 150 marks, okay. Then OBC also 138.55, then SC is your 125.50, ST is also 116.93. For PWD VI it is 126, okay, approximately. HI 94, LD also 118, and other is 98, right? So this was the last year cutoff in 2018. Now what will be the cutoff of 2022, okay? So see, if you are targeting in your category, general category, then definitely out of 200 minimum you should score 160 to 165 if you want in computer skill, okay, or if you want to in merit list. So target 160 to 165. If you are from EWS, then 155 to 160 is enough for you, okay. OBC also 150 to 155. This is the very good score you should score, okay. Then SC also out of 200, definitely target you 140 above. For ST also I will recommend to target 130 above marks, and for PWD also at least you should target 120 above marks, okay. Minimum at that I am telling to you, that is minimum marks, right? So definitely cutoff will not go beyond this, but it will be high as compared to last year, because this time competition is very high and vacancy is very low, right? And level, so what will be the level of mains exam? So yes, it will be little greater than pre-exam, because here obviously quant and reasoning question will be different level, okay. And for your this new section is added here, that is general awareness, which is challenging for you guys. So because of new section plus level of questions in quant reasoning, they will increase, okay. English obviously they will not that much bother, but still for general awareness, quant reasoning, definitely they will increase the level, okay. So compulsory target this much marks, and definitely beyond this you can target to secure the merit list name, okay. Or obviously other tests like computer skill you can crack or you can qualify easily, there is no problem in that. That is very basic test, okay. So overall if I summarize the process, then what will be the process? First they will conduct your pre. Out of that 1:10 ratio means for one seat 10 candidate will go to your mains exam, and then after mains exam they will shortlist the candidate in the ratio of 1:5, and then this much candidate that is go to computer skills, okay. Your pre is in only qualifying nature, your computer skill is only in qualifying nature. The main exam is the main exam, that is merit will be get decided with the help of mains only, okay. But to qualify pre, obviously without pre you can't give mains, so it is mandatory, but computer skill is also mandatory to qualify, okay. This test is also mandatory. So I will meet you in the next video. If you have any query, any doubt regarding recruitment, regarding anything, definitely you can comment down below. Okay, just target high marks. My last work is don't depend on expected cutoff, whatever I say. Just target high marks. Definitely you will get into merit list. Okay. Now the next video will be your strategy video. Before that, your SSO job profile and everything. Okay, everything, every detail, like whether it is suitable for a woman candidate or not, everything I will share in the next video. All the best. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Total 5,000 plus candidates are already there. Okay, so join quickly.